Right on. So once that is installed, you should see this icon on your desktop. I have mine pinned for easy access. Just click it on to open. Great. This is the first screen you're going to see. Might seem a bit intimidating for some, but nothing to worry about. Quickly, you could change the theme you want: dark theme, light theme, but I just advise you go with the dark theme. That's what most people like to work with, so nothing to concern yourself around here. Just click any space to get rid of it. Right, so this is the first cube we have, and so the first thing to do here would be how to navigate around here. Yeah, so these would be the buttons for you. First off, you could just click and then move inside this space right here to orbit. Of course, you could click any of these buttons to quickly move the view and just bring it back. Of course, there are shortcuts for these, which we would get into. This is to zoom in and out, so you just click and move the mouse. Just zoom in and out. This is to pan your view, or some people just like to call it to move your view. Yeah, it's sort of like shifting your perspective. You use that shifting your view. Just same way, just click and move, and you have that in control. Next one on the list is camera. That comes in handy when you're done with stuff and you need to render, but which we won't be using now, so nothing to concern yourself with for now. And finally, we have here this switches between orthogonal and then perspective view. I would advise you just go with the perspective view. So you can see it indicates here orthogonal and then perspective. Just go with the perspective. That's way easier to work with. And to the shortcuts that could do this for you, if you happen to be working with an external mouse, you could just click on the scroll wheel and then move around the mouse to orbit. If not, and you're working like me, you could just use two fingers, put it on the mouse pad, and then just move stuff around. That works. And to zoom, you could just pinch in and out like we would do on any screen. So we just pinch in and out on the mouse pad to get that for you, and then just move around as you wish. Let's crown this session by saving our file, and then next up we would be working on how to manipulate this object you have here. So to save is just like you save any file, Control S, sorry. Or if you want the long way, you could just come here and then save and save as. Pick a location, and then that's it. You're good to go. Once you have that save, you can just open that up in your preferred location anytime you need to use it. So that will be it for this session. Next up, we would be learning how to manipulate the objects we have here.